What if I told you that you could live like a king for just $10 a day? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I'm going to prove it. Right here in the paradise of Bali. I have just $10. Can I eat like royalty, explore breathtaking places, and still sleep comfortably? Let's find out. If you love budget travel hacks, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. You won't want to miss what happens next. Breakfast? $1 feeds a king in Bali. Street food is next level cheap. And look this hidden gem where locals eat. Nasi goreng, fried rice with egg. $1 free tea with meal. Pro tip, some places offer unlimited refills. Drop a comment below. What's the cheapest meal you've ever had while traveling? Living the dream. Luxury experiences for almost nothing. Beachfront bliss free. Many beach resorts let you use sunbeds and infinity pools if you buy a small drink. $1 coconut = luxury experience. 2. Hidden temple adventure. 50 cents. Location: Tirtha Temple, famous water temple. For just 7,500 IDR, 50 cents, you can stepping into one of Bali's most sacred spots. Legend has it this water has magical healing powers. Feast like a king for $3. Local warung with buffet-style food. For just 50,000 IDR, $3, can get a full Balinese feast. Grilled chicken with sambal, stir-fried veggies. A mountain of rice, ice-cold fresh juice. Food reaction, fun and engaging. This chicken is juicy. Why don't we have this back home? $5 night stay? Yep, it's possible. Stay option 1, super budget, $5. Hostel with a pool. Stay option 2, hidden hack. Some guest houses offer rooms free in exchange for social media reviews. Pro tip: if you message hosts on Airbnb and ask for discounts in exchange for content, you can score crazy deals. Did I survive on $10? Breakfast, $1. Beach and pool access, free temple entry, 50 cents. Lunch feast, $3. Accommodation, $5. Total, $9.50. Under budget. So yes, you can actually live like a king in Bali for just $10. But what if I tried this in another country? Comment below where you should go next. Like and subscribe for more crazy travel hacks.